back over the last flat bit until it's the steep shoot up to the summit. I haven't brought you in to do most of it today because you saw me doing it on the other days, and I'll just leave it in that video. Yeah, so it's, if you're wondering where I am, it's in Torridon area, and I'll leave the names in the description. I'll just drop them down below on the video itself so you can see, because I can't pronounce these ones, that's for sure. But yeah, it's a hard slog once you get around and the last bit. It's like a very steep switchback mud. It's like a mudslide really, basically. But it's pretty dry at the moment because obviously there hasn't been that much rainfall. There was a bit last night, but yeah, there's a bit last night, but it would have dried off by now. I'll bring you when we get up to that because I'll able to show you over the top, because we've got to go over the top anyway for where we're wild camping, and then I'll finally able to show you what I pack in the bag. And obviously Dino Dog is back because it's a wild camp, so he'll be running around, but it's by a big lake, by the in the middle of the mountains, so he'll go for a swim. I'll probably go for a dip, and then we'll settle down. I'm going to crack on. I'll bring you up when we're near the top, show you what that last bit what it was like. So much better day today. There's still a bit of wind on certain angles, but it's nothing as bad as yesterday. That's why it's definitely primed, ready for a wild camp, and I'm so excited for it. Feels like forever since I've had one, just life in general, just getting on top. With having my car stolen, and then everything else at the thingy, and then I take the weight lads and some other lads out once a month. So I just fit everything in at the moment. So it's good just fucking be me and the dog and just going at our pace, enjoying it, and just being out. Anyway, I won't bore you anymore. I'll crack on. Just up here, nearly up the last bit of that steep bit where we were up yesterday. You can see up there, just catching my breath because it's a steep one. Yeah, it's like, I don't know if you can tell really, but it's like just muddy slate all the way up. That little idiot's up there waiting for me. At least he's not going to blow off when we get to the summit this time. Hopefully get some views. It is clearing up. Supposedly, I don't believe it because the weather forecast has been all over the shop. Like, even mountain forecasts that are normally used is normally spot on, and nothing's been nowhere near what it actually is. But look at that, just rolling in, the clouds rolling in over there. That's what I like when it is cloudy, when you get the views like that. Just seems dead moody. Right, crack on to the top, bring you back in at the summit. So much better day today. I'm excited for a wild camp. See thee already on the plateau from just off the summit, and you can just tell, like, I'm not getting blown around today. It's just fucking, what amazing views. You see all this? What an absolute dream. This is like the reason why you should do it. Days like this, just enjoying everything. Do you know what I mean? Oh my God. Just about go into the abyss and lose all sightseeing glory. The final stretch to the summit. Just switchback after switchback up this horrible. That's why sometimes I just prefer have a scrambly summit. Just use everything. Yeah, you probably can't see anything now, can you? Bring it at the summit then. and then we're going head over to where we're going wild camp. Out across the ridge, drop down into the lake, and there's some amazing spots to be had there, looking straight up at the mountain. A mountain. Let's go. Oh, she's windy. Dog is already gone. At least this is sides out the wind for a bit. I'll stash down for when I come back because I've got to try to traverse it. Tad bit windy. Oh. Just coming up the last bit to the summit now. Bidham Agco, I think it is. Like I said, I'll just leave the actual description. Like, he doesn't even want weight, does he? Do you see him? Straight up. Let's scramble up this last bit. What a day. Oh yeah. Back home. He's off already. Man doesn't he want wait. Ain't waiting for no man. Yeah. And here we have it. On the ledge of a Spitty Anchor. I don't know if you can hear me because the wind's really aggressive now. It's a nice little scramble up to that bit, and then if you were to traverse it all the way to the other end and come back, you go all that way. But we're going back now, and then yeah. So we'll head back now, traverse down that bit while we just scrambled up, and then head down to the lake. It's like 3-4 miles yet till we get there. Come on then, doggy. Come on then. Good doggy. Right. You want to buy me poles, are you? That's it. Let's fetch and go. Posh. That's why I like barefoot shoes. They just grip. Come on, doggy. Yeah, so that's the highest point done of today. We'll go drop down now. Oh, it's windy. Yeah, hopefully get back out of the clouds again. No view central. Pop, boop, beep. Are we ready, doggy? Are we going down? Let's go. A little bit windy, but it's sensational around here. Absolute brutal winds. Let's crack on quick. Yeah, we're just heading over to the last summit now before we drop down into down to the lake. It's cleared up a bit now until we get back up to the other summit. Obviously we can see what we've just come down now. Crack on up this bit. Still plenty of time. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. I'll be happy if I'm pitched up before 8 o'clock. Gives me a good hour till sunset. Such a good one this one is. It's just a shame the clouds are rolling in on the summits. But swings and roundabouts. At least we're out the wind a little bit here until we jump back up. That was brutal. Absolutely brutal. Oop. Oh, moving rocks. Just heading over to the last summit now. Final summit of the day. Start heading down then now. Summit doggy, summit doggy. He's a summit, he is a doggy with his flappy ears. His flappy ears, his flappy ears. Oh, got the flappy ears. Oh, got the flappy ears. Shall we head down then, mate? Oh, yes. Yeah, let's go. There's a first glimpse of the lake where we're staying. Oh, yeah, so we got jump down there. You'll see like there's a path that runs down. And then we'll camp there looking up back onto the mountains. Onto the mountain! But we'll get down because it's blowing a hoolie. Head down the corridor then. And then just plain sail into the lake then and set up camp. We'll go on to the far side so it's overlooking back up here. So excited. See how it's clearing up because all the sun keeps trying to poke through a bit more. We should hopefully be on for a good night, but we won't speak too soon. We'll crack on down here then, won't we? Which side we going, mate? Slippy side, rock side. We'll go rock side, eh? We'll double whammy this. And then I've got my hand free. Go on then. Go on. You go first. Go on. Diddly, diddly, diddly. Go on then. Alfred, go on. What a dream. So nice coming down stuff like this. Should feel the wind go in a minute. Go on then.